Every time na naglalabas si Huawei ng bagong tablet, I feel excited. Dahil itong bagong MatePad 12X is really something to be excited about. Further na in-improve ka ng paper matte display dito dahil you can view clearly ang HD display on this one even though it's matte finish. Very light ang tablet na ito and yet it packs a lot of punch. Meron siyang 6 speakers dito sa loob and it can give you a really good sound tripping experience. And best of all, meron siyang license na WPS Office na kailangan ko. More details after this quick intro. Nasa sa pinaka-highlight na meron dito sa tablet na ito is that it has a WPS Office na license together with your purchase. Now, you can make tatlong klaseng documents. Either go create a Word document, a presentation, or you create a spreadsheet. So, lahat yan, you will get a PC level-like na experience. No? Na parang ka nag-work lang sa PC. Look at all of these, no? Na mga shortcuts dito sa ibabaw which you can only find on a PC level 1. So, normally sa mga tablet, you would get some really very yung sobrang shortcut. But this one, kompleto. This is just like me working on my desktop PC. So, lahat to, page layout, references, review, view, lahat kompleto. So, if you have a really nice na layout like this one sa WPS Office, who needs a desktop or a laptop if you can make the same productivity wherever you go, diba? So it's really nice. And typing on this keyboard, okay, I would say na okay siya, very responsive. Okay, so I would say na yung Neuralink technology is really great. So ang bilis niya, once sa pagsalpak mo sa kanya, automatically connected na siya, wala kang magiging problema. Okay, so type lang tayo, no? Yeah, bilis, no? Very responsive on my every single click and very quiet din ang kanyang keyboard, which I like. And the pen is equally nice and very, very useful, no? Especially when you want to take down some notes, if you want to just scribble on your tablet, very sensitive siya, no? So, yung kanyang pressure sensitivity is really good. Especially if you're a pro-level artist na nagdo-drawing, I think you'll appreciate itong pen na ito. Pag-usapan natin yung kanyang display. This tablet has a 12-inch na display with a 2.8K na resolution. It has a 144Hz of screen refresh rate, 1000 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, and it's HDR vivid. Meron din siyang pala AR layer dito which increase the transmission and reduce reflection dito sa kanyang screen. Na kung ang hilig mo naman is mag-browse sa social media, expect a really good experience sa tablet na ito dahil you can browse dito easily and I would say na sobrang smooth ang experience dito sa kanya. Even though if you're even using your pen, mag-swipe, talagang mafe-feel mo sobrang smooth din siya. Now, one thing to like dito sa kanyang paper matte display is that kahit anong angulo mo tingnan, wala kang mapapansin na glare. I tried, tapatan siya na flashlight, lahat ginawa ko na sa kanya, okay pa rin ang kanyang display. Wala kang mafe-feel na eye strain dito sa tablet na ito. And one thing na napansin ko rin sa kanya na big improvement over sa mga predecessor niya, kung nanood ka ng mga HD na videos dito sa kanya, mafe-feel mo na HD na rin siya. Kasi mga first generation mga paper matte edition is okay nga, matte finish siya, wala siyang glare, pero kung nanood ka ng mga HD content, mafe-feel mo parang medyo nasa-sacrifice ang quality. But this one, this time around, laki ng nilundag niya dito. So while I'm watching my favorite videos dito sa YouTube, I was able to enjoy kasi ang ganda na ng kanyang display. So it will give me me a really nice experience dito while watching all of my favorite contents dito. And even just watching basketball game, it feels better this time around. Now, one thing to like dito sa tablet na ito is sobrang gaan. This one is just weighing at 555 grams, and I would say na for a 12-incher, it's pretty very lightweight. And I really love it kasi ang gaan niya, hindi siya mabigat hawakan, to be honest with you. And ang nipis din niya, no, at 5.9mm thick. It's even thinner than yung mga conventional 12-incher na tablet ng ibang brands. And one thing na in-improve na sa kanyang design dito sa likod is that meron siyang elegant na shimmery percent design. Ang ganda ng likod niya, you'd see pag once na tinatama mo ng ilaw, it looks very nice and very elegant. And I love the way it is. And that's probably one thing na gusto ko kay Huawei. They innovate, they give you some really excitement out of their new products. And another thing dito sa kanya is ang ganda rin ng design niya, kanang cosmic star ring na camera bump dito. Looks very like yung mga phones lang ni Huawei. And it reminds me of the Huawei P60 Pro. Now, itong tablet nito has 6 loudspeakers dito. And it's symmetrical dahil 3 nandito sa ibabaw and 3 nandito din sa ilalim. So, check lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanang speaker. Uy, totoo nga, ang ganda ng kanyang sound. Nafe-feel ko pati yung bass na coming out from this song. Ang ganda ng feel ko sa kanya. Unlike other tablets, probably this has the best sound so far na na-try ko on a tablet dito sa Huawei MatePad 12X. Now, one thing na ma-appreciate mo dito sa kanya na even though magaan tong tablet na ito, it packs in together with a 10,100 mAh of battery. And it supports 66 watts na Huawei Supercharge. And so, to my surprise, okay I mean, tablet like this one, hindi lang siya malaki ang screen, magaan pa kanyang katawan, to be able to pack in a 10,000 mAh na battery dito, I'm really impressed kanila. One thing na napansin ko dito nung ginagamit ko to as my daily driver, kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day. As long as you're using it normally, walang heavy gaming, walang problema ang one whole day. And nung sinaalan ko siya dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test, under 50% brightness and 60Hz screen refresh rate, mas lalo ako na-surprise kasi binigyan siya ng 13 hours and 6 minutes na screen on time. For me, I'm quite impressed. Now, pag-usapan lang natin quickly ang gaming dito sa tablet na ito. I was able to play Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. To my surprise, ang Call of Duty Mobile, kaya mo i-set to all high settings dito sa tablet na ito. And the experience was really fun. I will tell you na ang ganda ng graphics dito while I was playing. And I did enjoy this one. And probably the best thing siguro if you want to enjoy further on this one, to tablet na ito while gaming, and probably might want to buy a control pad to give you a better experience. But overall, the touch response dito sa tablet is really fast. I have no problem. Halos wala na feel na lags dito. Kaya the Call of Duty Mobile talaga is probably one of the best games na pwede mo malaro sa tablet na ito. I really did enjoy this one. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, equally nice. Kaya ko rin iset sa HD na graphical settings dito. Hindi ko na siya finorse doon sa extreme niya dahil I feel na medyo baka mahirapan itong tablet na ito. But overall, magandang experience ko sa HD level na graphical settings. It was able to give me a good gaming experience dito. Very minimal ang lag. Halos wala akong masabi dito sa kanya. The gameplay was good. I was able to finish the whole game without any problem. And to my surprise, napawaw ako after playing Farlight 84 on this tablet. Now guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo right now all of the things na pwede na magawa dito sa tablet na ito. So guys, we'll go ahead and try out yung bagong Go Paint. So I heard na it has improved. It's so easy. You can select all of the different kinds of brushes you have here. More of artistic feel ang kailangan ko right now dito. As we brush along, makita niya. So you can add some more art sa mga existing photo or you can create your own. And it gives you a really good feel. Kasi kung once na dinina mo, talagang didiin siya. But if you brush it lightly, pakita mo very smooth ang kanyang pagka-layout dito sa kanya. And it really feels good. Now, one thing to love dito sa bagong Huawei Notes is that mas maganda ang kanyang mga logo. It's better than the previous version. And another thing is, gustong-gusto ko to. Yung kanyang colored lasso. So, let's say itong kick, gusto kong palitan ng kanyang color. No? Encircle ko lang siya, pindutin ko lang color. Babaguhin ko ng kanyang color. Makita mo, color red na siya. Astig, di ba? It's something new, something refreshing na hindi mo makita on the first version. Now, there's another one na gusto ko rin. Now, you can draw kahit medyo barok ang drawing mo. Yan. No? Gagawin yung circle. Drawing ka ng triangle na medyo hindi masyadong bungi-bungi. Ayan. Naging triangle siya. So, sabihin natin mag-drawing ako ng isang square. Okay. Kahit hindi perfect drawing ko, gagawin niyang perfect just for you. Some neat tricks na nakita ko dito sa bagong Huawei Notes. Now guys, quickly, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang performance itong tablet nito when you're doing some video conferencing. So hi guys, gawin nga natin right now is the Huawei MatePad 12X. And recording at 1080p and 30fps, ito ang performance na makukuha mo from its main camera sa harap. And yung kanyang resolution, I would say is not bad. And right now, I'm also recording using its default microphone. So, kamusta naman ang quality? Let me know in the comments. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa bagong-bagong Huawei MatePad 12X? For me, it can give you a flagship-like PC level na experience. Dahil lahat ng kaya mong gawin sa PC, sa desktop, sa laptop, kayang-kaya din gawin dito sa Huawei MatePad 12X. And sobrang yung portable, para ka nabibit-bit na isang laptop na mas magaan pa all day long kung saan ka pumunta, be it traveling, or working, or nasa field ka, panalong-panalo itong Huawei MatePad 12X. And another thing na sobrang gusto ko rin sa kanya, it's perfect from any angle mo siyang tingnan. Dahil the perfect invention dito is wala siyang glare. And it can give you a HD level na clarity pag nanood kayo ng mga favorite video nyo on high quality format. And syempre, you can enjoy a 2,000 pesos off if you buy from the official store ni Huawei sa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Pay 1,000 pesos upfront and get an additional 3,000 pesos na voucher when you buy online sa Huawei store. Ang deposit activity would end at December 5, pero ang voucher mo is redeemable until December 31. Now, lahat ng mga official link, I'll be linking it on the description box below. And if you like this video and marami kayo natutunan, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.